guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we've posted, but I wanted to give you an update. A lot's happened since I posted last time. I'm sorry I couldn't give you smaller updates, but the renovation just got so involved, holding the camera by myself. I have my son-in-law on the other side, Zach, helping me out. When he comes in from Florida, he's always kind enough to shoot a quick update. Right now, the truck camper has gotten a lot of outside stuff done. So this used to be an open generator panel. This was all refiberglassed, body filled, ready to be covered up. On the outside here, up above, you can see that we had a very big opening up there for a recessed awning, a Fiamma awning. My intentions were to keep the awning, but it was getting too much to renovate it and fix it. So what we opted to do was put a 2x12 in there, fiberglass it in, and then body work it just to get it flushed out. So there's going to be a new cladding over the top of this fiberglass. We're going to use a 16th inch diamond plate that's going to be either powder coated or industrial painted, but we'll go over that at another time. But right now, that's where we are. The bumper, we installed a major structural underneath that goes into this black aluminum, goes into the actual subframe that we created. And I'll show you that's down in here. That's this right here. So this is all aluminum with wood inside. That's all epoxy and waterproofed, and so the bumper screws into that. Now it's all monolithic, and if you look down the side, there's all crossed beams with aluminum angle. We put all that in to improve the structure of the camper for the tanks, to hold everything together and make a major difference. So we just dropped in on a cargo trailer. I just wanted to show you some of the aluminum we're using. We're using 1/8 inch non-structural aluminum angle, 2 inch, some C-channel that you saw here. This is what you saw, that wood. We actually put a wood in here, and then we epoxy it, waterproof it, and this way we can screw in like the Arctic Fox. What they do is all their aluminum framing is has wood center cores so that the screws grab and they don't strip out. So that's what I've been mimicking over here. And this is the bottom panel. So this has all been wrapped aligned. It's got a fiberglass with a 2-inch aluminum flat stock around the perimeter, and I'm going to riv nut into all the aluminum perimeter so that this panel can be screwed in multiple times and dropped without stripping out all the wood. So it'll actually be a mechanical fastener and it'll allow me to put the underbelly in. Yeah, the tanks are still here, and these are just all the parts. Got some cabinet frames, face frames, some doors, and he's going to be going over the bed, and he's going to open up like an awning style. Hey guys, now we're in the interior. So this is the skylight vent that we installed. So it's an escape hatch. It's a bug screen, and it's a blackout shade with LED lighting. And what I did to add a little style is I upholstered some cowboy vinyl leather material to match some of the stuff we did on the back of the wall. So we have a theme going on. So all the trim will be this cowboy scrolled vinyl material with a little bit of padding on it. So we're using a linen board here, which is your standard board you see in the Lance trailers and everything else. And then on the other sides, we're using this slat wall. The window trims have to be put up. We're still a little bit, in the installation phase here. But all the bottom for the tanks, all the tank struts have all been put in with aluminum, epoxy, screw. So that's all going to be all good. We're going to start getting the floor put in, the floor system. There's a lot of electric hanging. We started running electric for the new air conditioner with a Dometic digital thermostat. We have a brand new lithium ion converter charger. We're going to be updating from the old charger converter. All those wires are going to be placed into that new box there. So that's where we are right now. You know, cedar ceiling, all waterproof, new LED lights. So it's a slow go, but it's getting there, little by little. And Zach will probably be up in a couple of weeks again, or next month, 2 months, and then we'll update you again. Thanks for checking in. Have a great day. Be well. Bye.